Hey, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and today we are on the Crown Princess, the crown of the Princess Fleet, maybe. Anyway, and we're on Baja Deck, and we are at Baja Deck 744. Port Monkeys are on board, which is my medallion made the light turn green so I could open the door. But this is an inside cabin, and that's Janet. So, inside cabins, you should know right off, are pretty small. That's the cabin. You know, when the comedians make jokes about they fell out of the shower and landed on the bed, that's not 100% true, but it is pretty small. So let's start first with the closet. Now normally, we would keep our luggage under the bed. I'll explain later while it's in here, why it's in here. But, so, big closet, lots of hangers. Of course, I've had to revert to some wire hangers too. Big shelf with lots of junk and life vests. Cabinet, more shelves, a safe with a little piece of Velcro tape as a handle. But lots of room for stuff. Lots of room down there too. Remember, these will be under the bed. Bathroom, pretty standard size. The bathroom is no smaller that I could tell. 3 shelves, an outlet for shavers only. I have not charged my shaver yet this cruise, but I think it's coming. Washcloths. I don't know if this is standard. We're elite on Princess, so maybe we get upgraded stuff. I don't think so. I brought that bar of soap. They don't give you bars of soap. 2 glasses. Janet's got a Princess cup there. I left my comb on the counter. And a big one of these. And one there, but no pop-out, magnifying mirror or anything, right? Towels, that, little corner on the toilet paper, little corner on the tissue. Pretty standard shower. Remember, there's a clothesline in pretty much every cruise ship shower. And stuff will really dry off here quick. As long as you don't run the shower. Not a removable head. It is adjustable and you can turn it, aim it. Don't think it'll break off. So water pressure is the top knob on here and temperature is the bottom knob, and the numbers, I don't know if you can barely read those. I think that says 35, but they're worn off. This button it's got a lock on it so you don't get too hot, but on this one it doesn't work. Shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. So that's a shower and a shower curtain, right? Okay, so that's the bathroom. A couple of hooks. I'm using my light. Thermostat. Thermostats don't have numbers. You raise the temperature, lower the temperature. I find that the temperature changes no matter what I do with that. At night, I get a little warm. Anyway, 2 nightstands. This can also be set as twin beds, and the nightstands would be in the middle. I will show you the outlets that are behind there, but they're European style with round prongs. Cubby hole and 2 drawers. And a light that is motion sensitive, right? I can control the room lights here, and I can control the room lights there, right? Some artwork over there. The bed is comfortable, It's, oh, big mirror there. But it's really, really soft and mushy, except in the middle, you know, because it's two metal frames with something covering to join them together. We're elite, so we get a mini bar set up. We have not drank it all. Refrigerator. Now, I mean, this isn't a big deal, but I open the door that way, and then it wants me to open the door this way, and the refrigerator is not attached, so it shifts around. It keeps stuff fairly cold. It's our ice bucket. So, and it's fairly big. These shelves are worthless because whatever piece used to be there, they took off. Of course, then you couldn't have stuff there, right? If it was on. So, got a chair, no drawer, no drawer. Got a cabinet here, ooh, with unmentionables. 3 shelves around the side. They gave us princess bags for the first time in, I don't know, a couple of years. Well, anyway, a couple cruises. Big counter space with a lot of junk on it. Blow dryer attached to the wall, of course. You turn it on by pushing that red button. See that? Now, this is something that I don't know if it was on here last time I did a cabin tour. Of course, we've never had an inside cabin. So there's an outlet here, which is, I think, multi-country, multi-zone. It says 220 volt, though, just so you know. And it has a old USB and a USB-C. Yeah, so I think that's new, an addition. Janet would like you to know that she plugged her flat iron into there, and it worked okay. There are 2 American outlets, USA style outlets with flat prongs, right? And one prong longer than the other. There's also a light, which doesn't give much light. We always travel with one of these USB towers, because then, you know, we've got all sorts of things we have to plug into it. And, you know, we have got a couple of these in case. We also have a multinational adapter. So, anyway, which we didn't need to use on this cruise. So, 2 regular outlets, that outlet, and if you move the TV and look behind it, you're going to see another outlet which they're not using. They only have the TV plugged in, and then there's another outlet there. People are always asking about what kind of ports are on the back here. And I can't move that anymore, but I hope you can see that. There's an HDMI and everything. The issue usually isn't whether there's an HDMI there or not. That's the TV, by the way, and it's big, but it's kind of in front of the mirror, because it used to be a little one right there, see? But can I access that on my remote? You see what I mean? I'm going to push this button, and that's just about languages. So, I don't know. Anyway, and there. So, Princess TVs have a lot of stuff. They've got videos about
Let me take you to some of the most beautiful destinations.
the ports. They've got dining reservations, the wake show, that's the cruise director's show each morning. Highlights, prizes, things you can buy, obviously. Videos from television, how to connect, weather, location. Well, you can see. I'm not going to go through them all. I just want to show you movies and TV. So there's all these movies, and then you can go down, and of course these go you know, over. It even has Alaska movies because this is an Alaska cruise. Action, comedy, back to the 80s, and so on. If we go back over, live TV, that's it. You're seeing it all. That's the bridge cam down there. So, but live TV is lacking on pretty much every cruise ship, right? TV series. So you've got, of course, Love Boat, Modern Family, New Girl, Simpsons, and it's only, you know, 15, 20 episodes of each. It's not all of them. Even Love Boat is not all of them, I don't think. Season 7. See, there's only... Season 7 surely was more than 5 episodes, right? So what I would say, it's a cozy cabin. You know, it's small. I am going to show you something, and I mentioned it earlier because of the luggage. So the front of the ship is that direction, making the back of the ship that direction. And because of that, the bed is sideways. Not because of that, but the bed is sideways, and because of that, it was making Janet a little ill. So we took it upon ourselves to turn the bed. And I'm not going to show video of us turning it. It's a chore, it's work. You know, they're heavy and they're not connected, so it's moving 2 beds at the same time. But I'm going to show you what that looks like when it's done. So we moved the beds to be like that, the bed. So now it's, the motion of the ship is that way, and so are we. This stuff I put up here to show you, that's underneath the bed, and you got to squeeze your luggage in there maybe. So I'm going to put that back under. I just want to show you this real quick. So just to recap, no USB ports. No USB ports. And this is the kind of outlet it is. You see that? So I'm thinking that's European. The other one is right there, same thing. So you could unplug a lamp, maybe plug an adapter in there. It's recessed quite a bit, but we didn't need to, so it really doesn't affect us. All right. Oh, there, that light went on and then it went off. There's also an automatic light, motion sensitive light in the closet. So let's see. There. See, it came on when I turned the lights off. And let me walk over here. There it is. And this one has not worked the whole cruise. So anyway, it's dark.
Are you waiting for that one to grab?
Blair Witch. So from the Crown Princess, I'm Gareth, and that light went out. Now Janet's going to activate it. There, see?
And I'm Janet. And we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye.